Hello friend, welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. I bought Canon 6D Mark II from B&H Photo in New York. It was on some special sale for $1,300 and shockingly it included completely free battery grip. And obviously B&H Photo are authorized dealer for the Canon. So let's go in this short video to see what is inside of this product, right? The unboxing video of this product when it comes from authorized dealer. I'm obviously super excited, right? You can imagine buying this professional gear and getting this for free as a part of special deal, special package. Who will be complaining about that, right? So you can see when I open it, there is a lot of paperwork here, and I'm assuming these are the warranties and manuals. This one says European warranty system, might be also for USA. I'm located in the USA. Here's the warranty card, right, with the serial number and so on, and here will be that super large manual showing how to use it and how to connect it to that EOS 6D Mark II. This one is not universal for every single large Canon. I had 80D with this battery grip and I believe it was different number. Alright, again we can see that Canon packaging, right? That's how they do it when it's really original. It's always this kind of bubble wrap and then comes this kind of material. So I'm just trying to show it, right? When I know it's 100% original. This is not some black market copy or something like that. So let's look on the grip, how it comes. It's obviously brand new. I can see that clearly. There's no signs of any fingerprints or use or whatever. So this is fantastic. Here is the cap, right, for the contacts. Now you can see obviously it has the mount, solid mount for the tripod adapter, right? This is the wheel. I will be screwing it to the 6D, right? What else is here? Here is the storage for the door, the battery door, which is on that 6D, and here we will see how to open it, right? So here is this special system. You take it out and you turn it, and now the whole tray comes out. Once again, hopefully you can see perfectly every single detail of it, right? That's the bottom, and this is how it looks, all the contacts, and look inside. Excellent, I love it. This really feels great in the hand. It's not very heavy, but it has extremely solid and high quality feel. I absolutely love it. This is perfect. And I know you want to see it put together and attached to that 6D Mark II. So here it goes. This is the battery, right? That LPE6N. And one of them, obviously, watching the contacts, will go this way, right? Or it will, the other one, if you have two, I'm waiting for the other one. It's in different shipment, so they go basically facing each other, right? So I can choose either position. I will put it in, turn this knob and lock it this way. Now it's closed. Now how will I attach it to the 6D Mark II? And it's pretty simple. Basically, if you look at it, I need to make space for that adapter, right? So I will open the bottom and I need to get rid of this door. And Canon made it nice and easy, because here is that little lever and all I have to do, push it this way. That will release that little spring and the door is removed. And Canon thought it through even more, and they made a storage for it, right? So in the case you don't want to lose it, you can actually put it right here. Let me try that, how it works. It's this way, alright. And it should lock right there. Do you see it? So this is the storage for you, so you don't need special bag or anything. And I can continue with connecting, right? I will insert this inside of the body and I will screw this to the tripod mount which is on the bottom. So let's see. Nicely easy going in. And now I just starting connecting these two all the way in. And voila! Here we have suddenly super professional Canon body full frame looking like the Canon 1DX. Isn't this incredible? Look what this $200 grip, right, did with the look and also the feel. I don't know how to explain it, but grabbing this, it's way better than that body, that 6D Mark II itself. It was the same, absolutely identical for me, same experience with the ADD. I was using ADD for video for a while, and I had the battery grip, which was correct one. I bought original Canon, none of those copies, right, knockoffs. The way the camera feels, right, when you grab it, I'm still showing the front, it feels way better. And obviously that's not the main reason. The main reason is to have two batteries, right, in that tray. And so basically your battery life, it's double, right, using this battery grip. So two really important things. You have a way better grip, the whole system feels more solid, right, and like a little finicky camera, and also the battery life, it's double. Now, right now, because there is only one battery which was inside anyway, the weight feels almost identical, right? That battery grip has very solid, rugged feel, I can tell you that, definitely. Feels strong. If I squeeze it as hard as I can, it doesn't give at all. It feels great. However, it's still light, so it didn't really increase the weight of the camera. When you have two batteries in it, you can feel the difference. But again, for me as a video maker, I actually like it. It makes it more steady. Instead of having that little tiny camera, I try many different things. Like SL2, that was so tiny, light, right? The shake in the video was way different, way worse. So I highly recommend to anybody this battery grip for all those reasons. I hope you find this little unboxing and review helpful. That might help you decide with your gear choices. Please be subscribed because I will do a lot of videos with this gear in the future. Thanks for watching and have a nice day, my friend.